think it might be the monitor. That's fine. Okay, yeah. It's a weird start. Okay. Yeah, so I think I still want to do some more embedded stuff, even if it's something simple like the display driver. I did like that a lot. Reading the datasheet and programming it using the datasheet. It's a fun experience. And yeah. And I've got the debugger now. So technically I should be able to program more stuff. Yeah. I tried to look at my embedded boxes, 2 of them. Yeah, I think I found... What did I find? Yeah, I found a few sensors, but nothing interesting. There's one temperature, and there was a rotation thing. I mean, which could be fun. I do want to do something with radio. I don't know why. I have no idea how radio works, but I do like the idea of, was the long waves? I forget. Like they can travel through walls and stuff. So shortwave, yeah. I don't know, one of them. But as to what exactly, I'm not sure. So I guess in the meantime, I keep writing Zig, because that's like a tertiary goal. Primary? No. Yeah, tertiary. Okay, with that out of the way, guess I should get going. Been procrastinating for the last 40 minutes. Let's go. Jeez, everything hurts. Okay, here we go. What did I do yesterday? I think I just wrote a bunch of to-do comments. It's kind of haphazard right now. My interpreter, because I've made some alternate decisions along the way compared to the book. And I don't think I remember what those decisions were. So this should be fun. There is one project that could be fun, but I think it's to upgrade the mic, like not the mic itself, the part that captures sound, because I found out that the actual, I don't know what it's called, let's call it the sound input. You can get one that's used in a $300 mic for I think $30 or something, which is super cheap. And I was like, oh, maybe I can upgrade my mic for like $30. Yeah, that's a 2-part upgrade. You need to update the mic section itself, and I think you need to add an amplifier, because the sound you get is not loud enough. Something. Okay, I think that's enough for now. Fucking making castles in the cloud, the air. Yeah, something like that. Okay. So, prefix operators. What am I doing with this prefix? Okay. There's a couple of them, the not and the dash. Yeah. Prefix, operator, and then expression. Yeah. Okay. That means that an AST node for a prefix operator expression has to be flexible enough to point to an expression as its operand. But first things first, here is the test case for prefix operators or prefix expressions. Okay. Prefix, passing prefix expressions. Yeah. I think. Yeah. It's an input operator integer. Okay, gotcha. And if I'm not wrong, we have a parser for integer already. Oh, so it's an expression statement. Ah, yeah, because this is valid. I don't want that to be valid. It doesn't make any sense to me. I think I'll write one of the expression value. Gonna skip this part because I don't think I haven't added support for expression statement. This just didn't feel right. Lines for 2 reasons: manually creating error messages. Test integer. Okay. Yep. Prefix tests. Test integer literal. Yeah. Check the value type. Okay. Something I was thinking about yesterday. I've used tagged unions to represent interfaces. What about them? I don't know. Where I was going with that, lost completely. Seen this line before in test integer literal expression. Yeah, I didn't do that either. So I think it was also an expression statement. Prefix expression. So prefix expression will have the operator and the operand. Operator is this is a string. Okay. I haven't added the string method either. But I think I probably might add it. Probably might. Yeah. Yeah. I forgot about this. The whole brackets thing. It was quite useful. The last time I built it. Operator is a string that's going to contain either that or that. The right field contains the expression the right of what? Oh, okay. The right field contains the expression to the right of the operator. Yep, makes sense. It is an expression because it produces a value. Yeah. Excuse me. I'll say it again. Program.statements does not contain one statement. It's got two past prefix expressions. This one. It passes two statements. That is interesting. Why? Can I see parse expression? Is it because my guess is because the method hasn't been registered. Parts are currently passes it as individual expression statements is my guess. Where is it? Yeah, got to. Why does contain two statements instead of one? The reason is that parse expression doesn't recognize our prefix operators yet and simply returns nil. Okay, my guess was wrong. It's not contain one statement, but okay, gotcha. Yeah, well, I think I was right. It's because the method's not registered. We can extend our parser and get parse expression method to give us better error messages when this happens. Okay. Okay, so you check the infix and the prefix, and if both don't have any registered methods, you return this one. Okay, makes sense. Parse expression, prefix, yeah. Do I actually have this parse expression? I don't think so. Yeah, I don't. There's a to do here for that. Parse expression. Precedence. Returns an expression. Interesting. It only checks the prefix. What about the infix? Left expression is the result of prefix. Interesting. This is a function. It returns a function. Okay, yeah. I forgot. It's I think it's a method defined on. Excuse me. It's a method defined on one somewhere. Come back to that in a bit. Yep, that's enough to get. Yeah, exactly. Write a passing function for prefix expressions and register it in our parser. Yep. Go bang, bang, and minus should be parse prefix expression. Yeah. Interesting. Parse expression of prefix. Ah, yes, because the right side is an expression. That makes sense. Well, this could run away. Token bang and token minus will register the same prefix parse function. Prefix parse function. Parse prefix expression builds the AST node. Yep. Yeah. It has to, because it needs to build the AST node for the expression after itself. Yeah. Hey, Viper Gamings. Yeah. What am I doing? That's a good question. Yeah. I know what I'm doing. Like just can't thinking what I'm doing. Yeah. So I've been trying to learn Zig for a while. Maybe 4 or 5 months. So I was doing some embedded stuff. I finished the project. So I'm between the next project and I'm in a state of limbo. So I thought I'll use this time to, I don't know, I'm losing my words. So yeah, I thought I'll use this time to work on this interpreter. It's a very popular book. Interpreter book. Said again. Haven't heard of that language. Oh, Zig. I think it's pretty popular. Quite new. What are you thinking of doing? Like, what sector of technology do you want to explore? So for the embedded stuff, if that's what you mean, it's more of an exploration, because on my day job I do web development, so I wanted to try something new. So yeah, so I'm just exploring embedded programming. In the last project I built what did I build? Yeah, I wrote a display driver for, I think, one of the most common displays, and then got a Wi-Fi device to work so that I could communicate with the Wi-Fi device. And yeah, and I also got the debugger working for the microcontroller. I was using, I don't know if you've heard of it, the Raspberry Pi Pico. I haven't done a few big projects, but I still don't have a job in the industry yet. Kind of sad, but oh well. I would say, I think you'll find it. It's just a matter of time. I think when I started to learn programming, it took me like, I don't know, more than a year from starting to like finding a job. But in between that time, it always felt like I'm never gonna find a job. But you will, just keep going. What type of programming are you doing? Yeah, sure. Tell me about your project. Okay. Just tell me about the one you're working on right now. Oh, hey, Commander Thrashton. Oh, you're not getting any sound? Really? That is weird. Seems to be fine on my monitor. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Gotcha. Yes, I think. Sorry about that. Okay. Let's see. I'll answer the first question. What sort of interpreter? I don't know if you've heard about this book, the interpreter book. So I've built this before. I think it's called it uses top-down parsing or something like that. Don't know exactly what it's called. So the reason like I'm building it again, it's because I want to build a compiler. And for the compiler, you need part of the interpreter. Like not all of it from this book, but I think you need the AST. So once I finish the AST, I won't do the evaluation. I'll go build the compiler. And the reason I'm building it again is because the first time I built it in Go, but I want to build it in Zig, the compiler. Hope that answers your question, Commander Thrashton. Okay, Viper Gamings. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, I think you're right. Recursive descent parsing. Yeah, I think that sounds more correct than what I said. So I built my own automation system that uses biometrics to perform automation on PC and laptop. I'm not sure what that means, Viper. Second project I did was develop a transmission system that transmits data from one machine to the other using AES encryption. You mean send it over a pipe? I don't know. Not sure. I'm not sure what this means either. Also, the reason I ask, because I did interpreter myself before and I'm doing the compiler now. Oh, cool. Are you doing it in C++? That sounds good. Well, are you doing it out of practice? Like, what's the reason you're building the compiler, or just out of curiosity? No, it's all good. Nice. Did you... Oh, you finished the interpreter. Oh yeah, nice. I wanted to ask, how far did you have to build the interpreter before you could go to the compiler? Okay, you're doing it in LLVM. Not sure what that means. I've heard LLVM. No, that's what... I think that's what Zig uses too. Okay, Viper Gamings. Long story short, I'm building the Iron Man keyboard with integrated data transmission system over the network. Damn, that sounds cool. Facial recognition, voice recognition, device selection, and virtual assistant, and it will have instant execution to automate tasks on PCs and laptops. I think you should have started with that. That sounds much better explanation. I mean, that sounds cool. I'm not sure. I still don't fully understand what it is that you're trying to build, but it sounds cool. You want VC by any chance? I don't know what VC is. I do have Discord. probably have to set it up first because all my work stuff is on Discord as well. Maybe. Okay. How about this? I'll add you on Discord and I'll make sure all my work stuff is closed before. I don't want to open my Discord right now. Yeah, because all my work chats are there too. I ordered the display for the project, but need to modify 3D parts of the frame I will have for the device. Display for the project, but need to modify 3D parts of the frame I will have for the device. Okay. Well, we use Discord to communicate the work stuff. I mean, that's okay. I can probably after the stream, I will. No, I know, but I just don't want it to be on stream, like, especially because I think it's open right now. So if I switch to it, then I don't know what's visible. But I think after the stream today, I'll probably tomorrow. Okay, no worries. Yeah, if you're back here tomorrow, I'll set up the Discord and we can have a chat. I think it sounds like fun. Yeah, sure. I'll add you on Discord. Not a problem. Yeah, that sounds good. I mean, thank you for reaching out, by the way. Okay, I've been procrastinating for long enough. I should probably get back. Okay, where was I? All right, okay. Okay, I think I gotta do a few things. Okay, yeah. Add a parser for the prefix. This prefix parse function, newly created parse prefix expression. Okay, think I can do this bit right now. Also, I've noticed so far. Okay, no, I thought the precedence was not used yet. Actually, Viper Gamings, I forgot to ask. you like trying to get into embedded programming, like for work? I mean, if you're still here. Token bang and token minus register the same method as, yeah, parse prefix expression. Okay. This method builds an ST node, in this case, prefix expression, just like the parsing functions we saw before, but then it does something different. Actually advances our tokens by calling p.next token. Yeah. So otherwise it wouldn't have been called. Five more token has to be consumed. Yeah. Okay, so you parse the prefix operator and the expression after at the same time. I think I kind of get it. So it's going to be type of expression. It's going to be, is it prefix? Yeah. It's going to have token. That's going to be the operator. Then the literal for the operator. I don't know why I need this. I think it's just for printing. Then there's a right side, which is going to be an expression. Expression, and then wait. Okay. How did I print? I think it was let statement. Yeah. I might need an allocator. Because I need to print token literal plus the right expression. Yeah. That means might have to, fuck, if I take an allocator I'll have to update all the other types. Hmm. How can we fix this? Because if I use buff print, let's say print s, this will be, I guess I could use operator, and then this will be right dot token literal. Let me check. MT. Oh, actually takes a buffer. There isn't an allocator. But if I use the buffer, will it still be available? I think the token literal. Where did it go? Oh, okay. So I don't need to return the expression. Okay, then makeup becomes a lot easier. Dot literal. Then I go to where's expression. Have a new one. Prefix expression. Yep. Okay, so now that should work. I think I need to implement this expression seedance. What was the type of? I think it was a U4. Don't remember. I think it'll return an AST dot expression. Oh, okay, it's already. What I can call it is maybe this one. Call. Okay. So I gotta get, oh, I also need the token. Token dot token. Yep. Okay. Where is, okay. Oh, I need the parser itself. Okay. So prefix is going to be prefix self prefix parse functions of takes a token. Actually, I gotta check something pretty quick. Auto hash map. Sorry. Hash map. Key value. Is that a get? There we go. Guess what I can do is if functions dot get token, and then prefix. Is that correct? Yep. Key, and you get the value. If I do get the prefix, I think I need, do I need the prefix function? What does it return? Returns an expression. So yeah, I do. Can I just return prefix? And if it's null, I need to add an error. Okay, so I'll just do that. Okay, that's fine. Where did it go? Yeah, yeah. So if there is no prefix expression, errors of error count equals of print. I can use hello print now. back, yeah. Formatter and args. Print dot allocator. The no prefix parse function found for yeah, and then this is going to be token dot literal. Oh, it's self dot add account, self dot. It's quite a primitive error management system, but I think for now it works. Okay, so we have parse, sort of. Might have to change this later, but it's fine. For infix. Okay, so go to register a new prefix. Parse. I need a new parser. Parse prefix expression. I'll just call it parse prefix. Each expression. X parser. Then okay, that's it. Return st.expression. So prefix expression equal to ast.prefix expression, where token is going to be self.current token. Then operator. It's going to be self.current token dot literal. What else? The right is going to be undefined for now. So self dot next token, could advance the token. And then what do we do? Got to parse the right side. Prefix expression dot right is equal to parse expression. For now, and then just return prefix expression. Oh, not discard, sorry. I wanted to... Okay. So let's say if it's -5, prefix is the minus, and then gotta pass integer. Okay, yeah, so I think... Actually, I just realized I don't need the token, because function of self dot current token. Self dot current token. Okay. So all I need is this, is the precedence. Will it be integer? No. There, I never used this here. Um, okay, for now, just gonna remove the precedence because I don't use it. Let it to do precedence. DNC, yeah. Self dot pass expression. Okay. That'll be the right side. And then I go to register prefix. What is the type? It's bang. So it'll be parse prefix expression. Yep. Then it's also, what's the other one? Plus minus. Okay. See if the existing test passes. AST.expression depends on itself. Fuck. Yeah, I thought about this. Here. What is Have I? Not really. Okay, because it's a statement. Yeah. Mm, 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 mm. I didn't even think of that at all. Look. Okay, I'll come back to that. Where does he use precedence? Okay, he doesn't so far. Fuck me. How am I gonna fix this now? Is T dot expression depends on itself. Yes, it does. I'm guessing it depends on itself because the right side here is an expression. It's a whole chicken and egg situation. Can I make it a node? Okay. I think that's a problem for future me. Expression depends on itself. Maybe if I were to look here, or maybe struct. I could ask the overloads. So this is my expression. This is my prefix expression. But I'm afraid might have to, I don't know. There is a problem here. Compiler headers saying that expression depends on itself. What are my options here? As it does. Yeah, you need to pointer. What does this even mean? I mean, to be fair, I was gonna have to change them to pointers anyways. Prefix exertion. It's a typo. Expression. Okay. Turn. I think I know why. Pass prefix. Yeah. Okay. Here. This to do can go for now. So this should be ast.expression dot prefix. Is it? How is it? How did I name it? Also, I don't understand why pointer is okay. But ask cloud. But before prefix expression, yeah, prefix expression is gonna be prefix expression. Pointer to this. Expected type found token. Prefix pass functions. Really? Line 184. Oh, it's token type. Dot token type. Yeah. Return prefix. So what does it return? Prefix pass function. Okay, I think I know why that's happening. Because I've got to pass self. Out of memory. Okay, I mean I can fix that. How do I do peak error? Peak. Oh, okay, hang on. What is it saying? Found. Oh, okay, because I'm not handling the error. Parse. What is it? I've lost it. 188. Oh, it's right there. But that means, do I even call parse expression? Ooh, that means there's gonna be like fucking errors everywhere. Parse expression errors. This might error. Got so many errors to handle. That's a problem for future me. Yeah. Ho. That's not good. That means these can error. Okay. I think what's the error? Out of. I think we know the error type. Also, I read about it somewhere. The error. Hang on. Why does changing prefix expression to a pointer fix the problem? It needs to know. Fuck yeah, I have read about it. Because it needs to know how big something is going to be when you use it. Yes. Because when I was trying to do implement interfaces, my first approach was using any opaque pointers, and I had to use any opaque because you need to know the size of something. Brilliant. You learn something every day. Yeah. The infinite recursion, yes. Because pointers have a fixed known size. Yes, pointers are 4 or 8 bytes depending on the architecture. Yes, okay, that makes sense. Nice, I like that. Okay, alloc print returns. I mean, this is not the best programming. Avert your eyes. Boom. There we go. More problems. Yeah. Register prefix. No. What's the error again? I expect a type that returns, yeah. But I found AST expression. Which one is this for? For identifier. Parse identifier. Is that enough? Don't think so. Yeah. It doesn't return an error. Oh, fuck. Okay, I think that's the wrong approach. Because yeah. Oh, no. Parse expression. Yeah. Cause okay, I can just handle this error here. If I get an error, errors, error count. Okay, I think I should just fail. Catch unreachable. Just fucking crash the program. That means I need to update my error. Oh, okay. If there is none, this fucking crashed the program. Reachable. Reach. Actually, what would have complained to? So you return nil. Don't think I can return null. Then I'd have to make it nullable, which means this would have to become actually it could be. I don't think there's a nil in Go. Yeah. Sorry, intake. That won't work. Will it? No, yeah. It's a good point. Interesting. Okay, I just had an idea. Const nil expression. That's token. Gonna make the worst programming mistake ever. Oh no, I do have null. Oh yeah, I can make it illegal. Perfect. As a token literal, we'll take nil expression and return const u8 return you mess it up, son. There we go. Don't really need that. Okay, perfect. Then let's add our nil expression. Going to be nil expression. Then here we're gonna return st dot expression equal to dot nil expression dot token. Is it? Keep forgetting. Token dot illegal. I need another squirrely bracket. That should still work. No? Illegal. What did I call it? Oh, the first one. Our token type. Boom. What's that now? Oh, it expects a token. Motherfucker. Yeah, it does. So what we'll do is we'll construct one. Should I just... No. I think this is... Yeah, it should just fail. So token dot token. Is it capital T? Yep. It's gonna be token type. It's gonna be token dot illegal. Literal. Should be equals. Dot current token dot literal. I'll leave some hints. Boom. Oh, typo. Yeah, there we go. Okay, that's good. That'll do for today. Still not. Hang on, before I do that. Yeah. Test in T expressions with integers. Suppose I could extend this test. Yeah. And then to expressions prefix expressions. Okay. Good to me. It's got some work to do. Meh. Was okay. Wasn't too bad. Oh yeah. There's another to do here. Make all fields pointers. I do the same here. I don't know yet. Maybe I might not do it. More work for future me. Okay, I'll do. Oh, my shoulders. Jeez. Okay. Yeah, I think that's pretty good. I took like 5 steps back, but what do I gotta do next? Okay, I think before I go to infix operators, yeah. So I think, yeah, before I go there, I want to, what's it called? Yeah, update the test. Because right now I'm not sure if my prefix and integer operate parsers work. So I'll write a test for that tomorrow and then move on to infix. I think I'll start here. Because there's a few places that I could have messed up, like this one. Okay, but anyway, that's a problem for future me. Oof. Okay, thank you for hanging out. I shall see you tomorrow. All right, have a, what is it, Wednesday? Have a good Wednesday or Tuesday, depending on where you are. All right, see ya.